The HGDO D466 12-car DVR is a state-of-the-art dashcam system designed to provide high-quality video recording, advanced features, and enhanced safety functions. The dashcam features a large 12-inch display, offering a clear and expansive view for both rearview mirror functions and video playback. The camera captures video in stunning 4K resolution, 3840 x 2160 pixels, providing incredibly detailed and crisp footage for accurate recording of events on the road. The camera is equipped with a Sony IMX415 image sensor, known for its high sensitivity and low light performance, ensuring clear and high-quality video, even in challenging lighting conditions. The dashcam is integrated into a rearview mirror design, allowing for discreet installation and minimizing obstruction to the driver's view. The integrated GPS function records the vehicle's location and speed, providing accurate data for tracking routes and verifying driving details. Functioning as a comprehensive video recorder, the dashcam captures continuous footage during driving, offering valuable documentation for both everyday journeys and unexpected incidents. The parking monitor feature ensures surveillance even when the vehicle is parked. The dashcam can automatically activate and record in the event of a collision or other detected movements, providing security for the parked vehicle. The built-in G sensor detects sudden acceleration, deceleration, and collisions, triggering the automatic locking of recorded footage to prevent overwriting of crucial data in the event of an accident. The loop recording feature allows for continuous recording by overwriting older footage when the storage is full, ensuring that the camera is always ready to capture the latest events. The dashcam is designed with a user-friendly interface, making it easy for drivers to navigate through settings, review footage, and access various features. In summary, the HGDO D466 12-car DVR is a feature-rich dashcam system that combines advanced video recording capabilities, a high-resolution display, GPS functionality, and safety features to provide a comprehensive solution for enhancing both driving and parked vehicle security.